In this world, nobody comes close to living a perfect life, with a perfect job, a perfect career, a perfect economy, a perfect health, and many more. Yet every day, we still strive to perform to the best of our abilities just to keep going in our own lives. Honestly, a lot of us struggle, and hundreds of people suffer the consequences of not having enough money. You may be one of these people, and you're probably thinking you're a hopeless case. But here's what you don't know. There's actually a way for you to develop a very effective income stream, and I mean very effective, where you can claim money in a heartbeat. And guess what? You are going to learn all about it in this video. But before we get right into the video, welcome to WealthMatic, your regular dose of wealth and millionaire inspiration. Here we talk about everything related to money, wealth, and success. Fast track your wealth and get more life-changing, mindset-shifting, and great content regularly. Only right here on this channel. If you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe for more money content by clicking the icon below. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you can't wait to get your hands on this method. But hold that excitement right there because I want to tell you a little something before we delve deep into the video. So just a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Surely I have immersed myself in the world of finance for quite a long time already, so you better take all my advice with a pinch of salt. If you happen to be experiencing some serious problems, then it's best to seek professional help from a financial expert. So now you are going to find out what this method is and discover how it works wonders to the lives of so many people on this planet. And if you think it can't get any better than that, then wait until you hear that you actually don't need to spend a single dime as you pursue this method. That's right, there's no investments, no charges, no payments, no fees that you need to fulfill. This method is perfectly aligned for beginners like you who are just starting to build themselves in the online world of money making. And also, you don't need any sort of degree, prior experiences, or any technical skills, because everything will be so easy that I bet you can even pull it off with only one eye open. But seriously, what is this method? Well, it's just two words: affiliate marketing. You may have heard of that term before on the internet, and some of you may already have an idea. But for this video, let's begin by understanding what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is simply a process where your job is to promote a certain product or service by a specific company. You can do this by manually inviting everyone you know and tell them all about the products you're promoting. And if you wish to make it more booming, then you can also discover other platforms dedicated for this type of process. As you exert your best efforts in promoting the product or service, you will surely get rewarded once you successfully bring in an affiliate. You will earn money depending on a certain company's affiliate guidelines. Some companies allow you to earn money just for clicks and views on their products. But as for others, you are going to earn money only when your affiliates make a purchase with their website. Either way, you are going to earn what we call commission income, and this varies based on the company's guidelines as well. Some companies may offer you around 20% commission, and some others can go as high as 80% or so. And this is what you should be aiming for. Once you connect all the dots and link all the pieces together, there's no doubt that you can reach the stars with the potential of this method. To give you a little idea, you can actually earn at around $15,000 every single month with this method alone. Can you just imagine that? That's surely a massive amount of money. And who knows? You can maybe even go higher and higher if you figure something out, so make sure to tell me as soon as you can. Anyway, now that you have learned all about the nature of affiliate income, as well as how it works online, allow me to show you some websites that you can utilize to make use of this process. First and foremost, ClickBank. ClickBank is quite a popular one as it is widely used among millions of people worldwide. As soon as you visit ClickBank's official page, you can see that this website will allow you to grow with confidence. At ClickBank, they offer trusted e-commerce tools, a global affiliate marketplace, and industry-leading support and education, which is basically everything you need to build with confidence. Simply head over to their marketplace, and here you can see a wide array of products that you can promote and associate in your affiliate program. On this page, you can see tons of categories including arts and entertainment, betting systems, business and investing, computers and internet, cooking and food, e-business and e-marketing, education, and so much more. Now this reminds me, the very first step that you have to do is to select a type of niche that you want to pursue. Before you delve deep into the affiliate marketing scene, you should first find out what sparks your interest best and what is effective in the market today. Here's a tip. You can never go wrong with pursuing niches related to finances and money, so I strongly suggest you go with them. Besides, they all hold so much interest that it's impossible to bore you out as well as your audiences. Anyway, since we are focusing on finances, click on e-business and e-marketing and you will be redirected to this page where you can now have access to the multitude of products that you can offer to earn tons of commission. You can find out the average conversion rate, the gravity score, initial conversion, and recurring income. These will be the main factors that you can associate to help you decide which product you want to pursue. Now, tons of websites on the World Wide Web offer the same greatness in terms of having an excellent affiliate program just like ClickBank. You have all the liberty in the world to explore the depthness of the internet and locate other platforms that have astonishing programs for affiliate marketers just like you. But of course, I always want to make your life better, so here are a few platforms off the top of my head. You have Amazon Associates, Rakuten, Honey, and online courses which can easily be found in just one Google search. So feel free to try any of these websites out, or better yet, use them all at the same time in order to maximize your earning potential by a significant mile. In just a short while, I will show you how you can accomplish all of this with flying colors, so make sure to stick around until the very end. Before we proceed to the next steps, let me give you this period of time to hit that like button if you enjoyed the content so far. And also, tell us what you think and leave a comment down below if you find this video interesting. Now enough with that, and let's get back to the video. Now that you are already aware of the various platforms that you can pursue, you're going to need a way to somehow combine all of your affiliate links into one giant link so that you can make your life a whole lot easier. In light of this, let me introduce you to Linktree. Just hit this purple button right here that says Get Started and you can go from there. Simply give a username for your account and everything will then follow in a smooth and organized manner. Once you're done finishing up your Linktree, your next job is to provide a means to drive and generate traffic on the internet. This is done to amass thousands of audiences for them to get a hold of your unique affiliate link combined in your one giant Linktree so that you may now open your doors to your own success. One way to do this is by using Pinterest. As you all know, Pinterest is a mainstream social media app where users share forms of media like pictures and videos to convey a message. Beneath the surface, it's actually a pretty amazing and effective platform for affiliate marketers like you who are just being resourceful in driving more traffic. In order to do this, I want you to go to TikTok and then look for videos related to finances. Afterwards, copy the link of the video of your choice and carry on to the next step, which is to download the video. You can make use of a website called Snaptic where you can just paste the link that you copied and download the video in as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you wish to be more original and authentic, you can also generate videos on your own using Canva. Canva is a highly versatile platform for you to come up with visual materials, and this includes formulating interesting videos and images. These materials will then be used as instruments meant to capture people's attention, which will then eventually lead them to your affiliate link. Anyway, with Canva, everything you need is openly provided to you by the platform. As you can see, tons of elements already, spanning from videos, pictures, borders, designs, fonts, styles, and many more. It's just really a digital canvas, so go ahead and unleash the fullest of your creativity. Once you're done in formulating your visual materials, then you are now in the clear to head on to the final step, which is to publish those materials on Pinterest. Simply upload your videos and images on Pinterest and just include the link to your affiliate on the description. Everything's just so smooth because all the links are already compiled into one huge umbrella link, thus executing this whole method without dropping a single sweat. And that is basically it for this entire video. Check out other videos on my channel if you are interested in money-making content just like this one. If you have completed the video, hit the like button and tell us what you think in the comments down below. We would surely love to hear what you think, and we would highly appreciate questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post something new. And that is it for today. See you in the next video.